Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is on ticker symbol FSR, which is for Fisker, and we know it has been experiencing a wild ride. So the price was around $15. It went all the way to 19.5, then again it came back to $15. So it's really weird, like it went up 30-40% and again it came down. So back to back 3 days you can see what happened. So in this particular video I just want to talk what happened, what is the price action, and some report from different analysts and everything. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my YouTube community where you can become a member by joining the community. You have to pay only $3 or $5 per month. There are two different packages and you will get member specific trade ideas, pre-market, during the day, and even after market, looking at the support, resistance, so many things, when to get in, when to get out, so you can make your own decision about day trading, swing trading, or even for long-term investors. You can see I post a lot, so you know like what's coming. Anyway, give a try. If you don't like it, you can always cancel it. So anyways, that's the chart. And if you do not know anything at all, so what happened, the big spike, because Morgan Stanley, they had a price target of $40 with a bull case of $90. You see the 12-month price target of 40, which is 122% upside from last Tuesday's price action. Even like now is the same price. Also they had a $90 push case. So what happened, the share price actually went up. It went up from here, it went all the way to 1819, which is important resistance for Fisker. Then it was moving sideways and the next day it came down. Then you see what happened. So the next news was the big thing, right? Then again on Friday, Fisker announced upsize and pricing of 625 million green convertible notes offering. So the investors, they don't like it. So the price is coming down. And the principal amount of 2.5% green convertible senior note due 2026. So the big catch is the note will be senior unsecured obligations of Fisker. The note will bear interest at a rate of 2.5% per share, meaning that Fisker has to pay 2.5% per share. And also look at the maturation date, which is September 15, 2026. There is time unless earlier converted, redeemed, or unpurchased. So that was the news and no one liked it. It came down a lot, like 15-20%, right? And end of the day like 30%. So many report after that came why Fisker stock crashed today. And I like this part. Now what? For investors, this means either of two things. On the one hand, these notes are dead and Fisker will have to pay interest 2.5% per year. This is not an entirely bad thing. Convertible notes often carry low interest rate, and let's not forget that Fisker will get nearly 700 million in funding out of the sale, which to grow its business. So their production is in line and their cars will come, so they need more money and just to be on the track and timeline. So this is good in one sense because they will get a lot of money. The other thing to keep in mind is that convertible notes can potentially be converted into stock, and if that happens, these investors could be looking at as many as 41.4 million new Fisker shares flooding the market. So there will be share dilution, potentially diluting existing shareholder by more than 20%. So if this is happening, then more shares are coming. So that will be like one kind of share offering, right? So more shares are coming, or they will be just paying interest. But keep that in mind, they will have lots of money in hand. And also like Fisker is selling convertible bond. Why that's bad for his stock? It talks about so many things, like convertible debt can also generate selling pressure from the arbitrage investors who can sell stock and buy the converts. This way the arbitrage investors can capture only the bond portion of the convertible debt, removing the fluctuation in the convertible debt pricing due to embedded price. So many articles, I'm not going all of this. There is another one, and I like this line because it says it's interesting to consider that a single analyst, so the Morgan Stanley came, opinion can move a stock price by more than 20% in a single day. Yet Fisker stock is an example, right? So if the price came down now, if another analyst comes and they give a higher price target, hopefully it will run again. Look at Nasdaq, what's happening. It has a strong buy rating, and look at the big names here, right? With an average price target of $26.3 with a high of 40 and with a low of 16. So current Fisker price is below 16. If even it goes to the average, this is 26 and the high is 40, and recently Morgan Stanley came with a 40 with a high of 90. Keep that in mind that whenever there is a price target, these are looking at future price, not now. Fisker has no cars running on the road. Once their car will come, they will be sold, they will have some numbers, their production capacity, their selling number, then things will change. So again, these are long-term numbers. Do not expect it will go to 26 within 1 or 2 months. Just wanted to notice that. Now let's look at the daily chart. So you see up and down, 9.75 went to 20, came down again, went to 28, $30 again, came to 9.75. you see the roller coaster ride. But looking at the RSI, now the RSI is coming down, so this and it is sitting at 43. Not bad. Last time it came around 37 and it bounced a lot. So look at the price action now. So what is happening? So the important resistance is around 1920 area. So after the upgrade it went, then it got rejected, right? So it was here. So it came down. So after the upgrade, you see a big spike. It went 19.35. It got rejected. And the very next day, it was over the 17.7. Then after the news of convertible note, it came down. So what is happening now? Look at this area around 14.5 area. This is like that was in strong support for Fisker, but last time it broke through, and again you see it got a bounce from here. The important thing is, can it hold 14.4 or 14.5, this area of support? If it is broken, this thing will come towards 12.2, and who knows, it can come back to $10 range. You see it came to 9.75, 9.5, this area. So it can come again. If there is a terrible market correction or anything, it can come down. But again, you see from 9.75 it doubled, it went all the way to 19. So it's a very good one for day traders and swing traders. At the same time, if you're a long-term investor, if it comes down, you can always average down, or you can just wait for this to come around $10 or $12, you buy more. Now the important thing is the people who bought around 1920, my advice would be average down. Look at the price action. Can it maintain 14.4 area? If you see it is maintaining, then you can just buy and you can average down. Make your average around 17-18 bucks, because the next run it will go and hit 17-18. If you want to get out, you can always get out. Or if it break through this resistance 14.5 area, I think it will come towards 12.2. in that case, if you bought it 20 and it is 12, your average will be 16, even better, right? Again, this is a long-term stock, good stock. Is not like if you bought it 20, everything is destroyed, nothing like that, right? So this is the chart, and I just want to show you the 1 hour chart. You see on hourly candle, it has been coming down. It seems like it might have found a support around 14. So we have to see. If not, then it will come down even more. It tried to break the resistance. You see here, it came down, it tried to push. Now the important thing is, can it go over 14.5? If not, I think it will come back again. Let's look at the option now. So looking at the 20th of August expiry date, which is after 7 days, next Friday. See the 15 strike price. Most of the open call options are sitting for 15 strike price. At the same time, when you look at the put option, again 15 strike price. So there is both sides sitting for 15 strike price. And looking at the chart, why 15? I was talking about 14.5, but yeah, 14.5, 15, they are very close, right? So this is the important level, that you go up or go down. One thing I also like, if you come down here, so specifically looking for the option expiring next Friday, look at the ratio, put versus call volume ratio. So these are the volume, these are closed, but look at the open interest here, right? So the ratio is 0.46, meaning that 46% options are put option. They are thinking it will come down. On the other hand, 54% are call option. It is thinking it will go up. So it's currently it is mixed. We do not know what will happen. But if we go a little far, let's say we are looking at September 17th, which is after 35 days, things are different, right? So 20 and 30. So 70% are call option, 30% are put option, and you can see again the 17.5 and 20, they have a lots of open interest. But keep that in mind, lots of call options were also closed because it was coming down, so those options are closed again. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update because many of you was asking, should you get in, should you get out? So my recommendation would be, if you are long, for anyone, just wait and see can it hold 14.5 area. If not, it will come down. We will get another opportunity to get in for a day trade, for swing trade, at the same time even for long-term investor. Anyway, let me know if you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. At the same time, if you want, you can always join the community to get daily trade ideas. Look at the support, resistance. We have been making money. SPRT was the one Thursday after hours. I talked about it, and the next morning it popped up 32% in the morning. So it was a solid trade Friday. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.